What's up, guys? Right now we're gonna stack this, and yeah, we just stacked 7 of them together. Collab. So yeah, there's red black one. I'm gonna try to do a very hard challenge. Oh, that was close. To be 2 seconds. Okay, yeah, I don't think I can do that. So I might possibly do a fidget spinner giveaway if I get another fidget spinner or something. I have a universal one coming in the mail that's not actually painted. Might just get another white one and give that out. So yeah, just might give out some. I have no clue. Comment if I should try to do a video where I cap a water bottle on a fidget spinner. Comment if I should try to do that. So yeah, comment on all my videos. Please subscribe. I mean, seriously, I had 54 people unsubscribe, so if you would please subscribe back, and yeah. So right now, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.